So before this video gets started, if you're looking for a way to start making money, there's an awesome way to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing now for over 5 years. And guys, I've been making, look at this, over $10,000 per month. This is on just one of my several YouTube channels. And as you can see, I've made over 50,000 bucks just this year so far, and it's only May. And then if you go to last year, oh gosh, I made over $120,000 just on one channel. That's over $10,000 a month. And this allowed me to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now here in Southern California. And for the first time ever, I'm actually teaching you how to create your own faceless YouTube channel so that you can also hopefully start making thousands of dollars a month. And for the first 100 people who sign up, there's a 30-day free trial. You can sign up, try it out. Join, watch the video. There's a 50-minute video teaching you everything you need to know to create your own, giving you ideas and just giving you all the resources to get started. And then there's a group chat where I will be interacting with you and helping you out along the way. So click the link below, join the 30-day free trial, and maybe, it'll change your life just how it did mine. I used to be in massive credit card debt. I worked minimum wage jobs. I worked Uber, I worked Lyft, I worked at selling knives on Cutco. Worked at a bookstore. I did everything, okay? But doing YouTube really, guys, changed my life, and I'm excited to hopefully help some of you guys out too. You don't need any experience, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need a following at all. So click the link below to start your 30-day free trial if you'd like. Otherwise, let's get started with the video. Okay, this one, what to do when a passenger forgets something in the car? This is a great question, guys. If you're an Uber driver or if you're an Uber passenger, you want to watch this video. What do you do when you forget something in the car or if a passenger forgets something in the car? Okay?
Yeah, so this person is just venting about their experience with someone forgetting something in their car.
Hold on, we get more coffee. Keep going.
They said, woman leaves her keys in my car last night. I contact support and try to call her several times, but it keeps saying the phone number won't connect, so nothing I can do. Get up this morning to find they had called me 3 times overnight while I was asleep and left me the rider's number. I texted her, told her I had the keys, but I would not be back in that area until this evening as I work a full-time job, but she was free to come and get them at my work. She was all pissy about it, saying she could not get into her apartment, blah, blah, but not my fault. Nor am I going to take off my full-time job to drive an hour to take her keys back to her. Finally, she said she was going to come and get them. Okay, fine. Get to work at 8 a.m. and Uber starts blowing on my phone. They called me 8 freaking times and left 8 messages in 3 hours while I'm working. And I had already been in contact with the rider. Okay. So yeah, this is what you really do. Okay, if you're a passenger and you forget something in your driver's car, there's an option if you go to like help and like go to your trip that you just have bless you. Then you'll have the option to contact someone, like your driver. And if you're a driver, make sure you answer that call.
Yep.
Or and then as a passenger, you have to pay $20, but the whole $20 goes to the driver.
One word of caution for drivers: if a passenger leaves their phone in your car, keep in mind that if it's an iPhone or there's or I don't know Android because I don't have one, but they can track your location. So just be a little cautious of that, because if you go home and you have one of your passengers' phones, they know where you live, basically.
Yeah.
There have been like dangerous things that have happened. Passengers will show up at the driver's house asking for their phone back. So just be wary of that. Like check your car like after every ride, make sure nobody left anything.
Yeah.
Or if you're really suspicious, like maybe the passenger is creepy and they leave their phone in the car and you're like, I don't know why they left their phone in the car. Turn the phone off so they can't track you anymore.
I wonder if anyone has ever left put an air tag in someone's car.
100%. I would be willing to bet money on that. People are crazy. People are insane.
Yeah.
there's a lot of stalkers out in the world.
Yeah.
A lot of people in jails. Like people are not everyone's good.